Hi everyone, it's Adam with Adam Ward Online. How are you? I am in a really good mood today. Just a lot of great stuff going on, and I wanted to shoot this video before I actually get started with this. And this video is going to be um, all about multiple blogs that you can run. If you have multiple niche blogs, multiple interests, or multiple passions, or multiple companies, any of those or a mixture of those, and you want one platform to publish all of that content out to separate websites, this particular video is for you. I just wanted to mention that I'm using Screencast-O-Matic for the recording of this training video, and it's a pretty incredible screen recording software, video recording software. There is a free version of it, so if you go to screencast-o-matic.com, you can get the free version of it. The editing tools and all the other advanced features are in the paid version, which is a staggering $15 per year. So I would highly recommend that you get this because it's unbelievable. It records in HD. It's not client-side specific, meaning you can basically pull up your account on any computer wherever you are and basically create a video on the fly, and it holds it up in the cloud so it doesn't stay local. It can, but you have options to be able to keep all this in the cloud. So I just wanted to mention that because it's a tremendous application piece of software. So on with the tutorial. So here we are on my Empower Network blog with my primary business, which is my internet marketing business, where I basically post all of the information, training, blogs related to my primary business of online marketing. So I wanted to show you a few things that I've set up over the last month or so that's pretty interesting. So I'm going to go to the platform backend here, and this is the ENV2 blogging platform backend, basically where you would go to post your blogs. Some of you have seen this before, but if you haven't, you can see that there's 4 easy buttons to help you do whatever type of blog post it is. If you want to do a text blog post, an audio blog post, if you want to post with images or video. It's such a simple interface to use. I'm showing you the desktop version. There's also a mobile version of it. So on with talking about these niche blogs that I've created, and I want to show them to you. So with Empower Network and the ENV2 blogging platform, you get the ability to publish content to multiple blogs that are separate in and of themselves that can be mapped to your own custom domain. So for instance, the one that you were just looking at, where are we? Right here, is based off of my my website domain name of Adam Ward Online. So just so you know, I set up adamwardonline.com as a WordPress site before the launch of this current platform, and I want to show you what that looks like because it looks very, very similar. So what I've switched over to here is the root domain of Adam Ward Online. This is a WordPress installation. This is a WordPress website that I still maintain because there's traffic and content up on that particular WordPress installation that there's no reason for me to let go of that at this point. So what I've done in the WordPress installation is just actually add a tab up here to toggle between the WordPress blog, which is what we're looking at now, and the ENV2 platform blog, which is this one right here. As you can see, this is a theme that I had to set up. The Empower Network sets up this very clean theme for you, and basically puts up, this is obviously a custom header that I've put up, but how you can change that is just like the Facebook cover photo on your Facebook page. You basically hover over it, and then you can see that you can edit the banner right here, and I'm going to show you where you can actually utilize a free service to create a custom banner. This was actually created by a branding expert, but I'm going to show you a few others that I've actually done myself. So multiple blogs, multiple niches, and how does that work? Well, right here, just today, I posted, you know, I have a passion for cars, and I've been writing about cars that I enjoy, cars that I love, cars that I admire. So this particular blog right here was created, but I published this out to a niche blog called Adam on Cars. So I'm going to go there right now, and I bought the domain name called Adam on Cars, right? So you can see that up there. Right here is the blog that is dedicated, the niche blog that's dedicated to my discussion about cars. See, I've made 4 entries right there, and you can see them. So the nice part about this is you can keep your niches separated, but I'm going to show you a way that you can also use the reblog feature within the Empower Network platform to pull those all together if you also want those to be on one particular combined blog, right? So again, up here, this picture I pulled off of the internet, and I'm going to show you a service that you can use. And before we actually go on to the next blog, let me show you that service, because it's and you know, I did a search for free banner creator, I think it was free banner maker, and I found this one here called Banner Fans. And so, you know, this is really interesting because let me just show you, I can show you how quickly you could create your own custom banner. So down here under layout, the particular banner size is a custom size. It's 960 pixels by 265 pixels wide. So you set that, and let's say, for instance, let's just go here, and let's say you know, you had let's just say food. Let's say you were a foodie, right? And you wanted to make a niche blog about food. So let's say you went out to the internet. Maybe you've got some of your own custom graphics, and you know, you want to put those in there. But if you didn't, and you just wanted to grab an image, you know, from the internet, let's just say, let's take this nice piece of whatever this is, and you wanted to use that as your banner. So just giving you an example here, I've got Jing installed, and this is not a lesson on this this image capture software, but I'm just going to show you real quick how to use the Jing software. And let's see how wide that is. Yeah, it's not quite 960, so I'm just going to improvise here. So let's get this to 960, and you can see the little numbers down at the bottom right there to 265, right? So there we are. Oops, 960. Come on, there we go, to 265. And let's just say that that was like, I put it like that, okay? So I'm going to save this, but what I'm going to do, you can either save it locally, or this Jing program, which is free, by the way, gives you the option to save it in the cloud up to screencast.com. So what I'm going to do is, as soon as this comes back and tells me that it's ready to go, I'm going to view this on Screencast. So what I've done is I've created a 960 by 265 banner on Screencast. So I'm going to actually take I'm not going to take the image, I'm not going to download it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the URL of that image, go back to Banner Fans. Now down here, where was it? Oh, select a background mode, right? I want to upload my own image. So you can either browse and insert the file. Now this didn't work last time. Let me make sure it's going to work this time. I'm going to put the URL right there, and let's see if that works. No, so back up, scratch everything I just said about grabbing the URL. For some reason on this site that doesn't work. So the backup plan is to actually take that image and save it locally to your computer. So let's just put food blog and save that and go back here. And now we're going to actually upload that picture to the site. So free service, who knows why that particular function doesn't work. So you can see now that it's created a 960 by 265 banner, but here's the great thing. You can use custom text. So if we move over to this tab right here, and you can see, let's just say I was going to call this you know, I have this Adam On brand that I'm developing. Let's just say that I put Adam On Food, right? I got rid of that. And so this is our line. You can see you could put multiple lines in there. You can also pick the color. So that white is not looking so hot on that background. So let's pick a black color. The other great thing, if you click this little button right here, it gives you all these great font styles. So play around with that because it's really cool. Every time you want to see a change, you just click this Update My Banner down here. So you can see that how it created that. Well, it's a little bit too small, so we can go here and let's blow that up to 50. Update. Okay, and so let me just put that right there, and you can see that you can't really see that so well. So I do believe, let's see, shadow and effects. So there's all types of options in here that you can use. So let's take that shadow and make it white. And update. And put maybe a bigger drop shadow on that. So you can see how you can play around with that stuff. It's not really working out too well. So let me just, I'm just going to move the whole thing here. Okay, I'm just going to put it right there for now. Okay, so here's the banner. You can go on to create borders and you can actually save this. You can create a free account. What I've been doing is I've actually been just grabbing my Jing tool and once again just pulling this straight from this tool. So if we go 960 by 265, center that up and then save this. So let's see, Adam On Food. And this lesson's turning out to be a little bit longer, but I wanted to show you how you can create an easy custom banner. I see a lot of people that are using the Empower Network platform and not putting any custom banners up on the top. So there's our custom banner. So if we go back now, and for instance, I've got a bunch of domains that I've actually put in here. I did do a lesson on how to add these domains, so that's not going to be this, but let's see, Adam On Fitness. I don't think I've put anything in there yet. This is the default banner that you would see, right? So what you can do is click that Edit Upload Image, put a title, Adam On Food, even though I should have picked Fitness, right, because this is Adam On Fitness, but I'm going to change that. I just want to show you how this works. So then down here you click Edit Upload Image. So then you find that image that you just created, which is right there, 960 by 265, because I've given you the proper size. Okay, so then you click Save. I think it's saved. And there you go, right? Nice, quick, easy, custom banner done. So I'm just going to leave that and go back. So the niche blogs. So now you know how to create the banner for your niche blog. I'll put a link to how to create multiple blogs within the platform, but I just want to show you how that can work really nicely. So here's the Adam On Cars. I think I already showed you that. Okay, here's my wine blog, right? So Adam On Wine, all of my wines there. I've only added 2 wines so far. And I also have another branded website called mobilesalesgig.com that will be specifically for everything relating to the mobile aspect of the blogging platform. So you can see how you can quickly and easily create these headers. My other video will show you how to create the multiple blogs, and all you need to do is go out to a domain host like GoDaddy and purchase these. A lot of times GoDaddy has specials running where you can get domains for 99 cents and then create these multiple blogs and then go back to your single platform and post these multiple blogs. So the last thing that I'm going to tell you and show you is, for instance, on my main Adam Ward, let me show you my Empower blog. Where are we? Kind of lost myself here. Go to ENV2 blog. Okay, so this particular blog post that I did that was talking about the rise of the smartphone, this was all about mobile blogging, right, and the mobile application. So this was a perfect blog that I originally put on my main primary website blog, Adam Warren Online, but this would be a perfect blog for the mobile sales gig niche blog. So what we want to do here, what I did is I actually went to that particular blog. Let me make sure that I can find it right here, right? And I used this feature right here, the reblog feature. So what that does is it actually allows you to reblog this into any of the other blogs that you have. So when you click that feature, all you need to do is create a, uh, a title, and let me show you what that looks like. Where are we? Right here, mobile sales gig. So you can see this was originally posted to my main site, but I reblogged it, right, on November 2nd. And it's all the content, everything just pulls right in there. And then down at the bottom here, it shows you, I basically kept the same title and I said, looking for a mobile sales gig, this is it. So that's the reblog feature. So you can take any of your existing blogs and if they're housed on one particular site and reblog them to your niche blogs, and they can all tie back to each other. Pretty amazing stuff. I hope that was helpful. Use banner fans to get a cool custom banner rolling. Very, very easy to use, free, and use the Jing feature. So go to just Google Jing. I think it's by the company TechSmith, and that's another free tool that you can use. Hope that was helpful. See you on the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.